Hi, my name is Justin, and in this short video I will show you how to send MIDI from your DAW to your Roland Airca Compact device for playback. This is good to know if you're working on a bigger track or if the onboard sequencer on the device isn't really your thing. Today we are using the S1 from Roland and FL Studio. Let's get started. Once you are connected, open a project and make sure on the piano roll you've entered some music notes. In this case I've prepared a little pattern using notes taken from Clocks by Coldplay. First we want to make sure that FL Studio recognizes our S1, and for that open up the preferences and then go to the Midi tab. At this point your device should already show up in the list. What we are going to do is send notes from FL Studio to the S1. So what we're looking for is the output. Select the S1 and assign it a port. So at this point assign it anything that is available for your computer and remember that. Close the preferences and make sure your channel rack is opened. What we want to do now is make sure that the notes in the piano roll are being sent over Midi, and for that change your current instrument for that channel and map it to Midi out. What you want to do here is first set the ports that you previously configured in your preferences, and then also make sure you set a channel. This is one of 16 that's available for the given port. By default for the S1 this is channel number 3, but if you want to change this you can change that in the menu of your device. And that's it really. At this point, once you hit play, FL Studio will send the MIDI to your S1 and it will do its magic. Well, try it out, have some fun with it. If this video has been useful for you, please let me know or give a thumbs up, and see you later for more videos about the Roland S1.